Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a poll on Instagram. So let's get started. Open your Instagram now. So in case you want to make a poll or vote, you can do it in a chat group. For example, this is my chat group, and you can tap the sticker, and in the middle one, this one, poll. You can tap the poll, so you can ask the question here. For example, hangout day, add option, and create poll. So your poll can be used in another way. Get back to the home page and then add your story. So for example, this one, you can tap the sticker again, try to search poll and ask your question here. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. See you in next video.